How to verify your age in the Roblox. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can verify your age in your Roblox account. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to log in your Roblox account. So now once you are in, as you can see that here in the top right corner there is the gear icon, you just have to click on it. Now basically this is the setting of your Roblox, so you just have to click on it and you have the option of the settings, you have to go in it. So now once you are in, you have to go on the account info and you have to click on the personal. Now as you can see that here in the birthday option there is the option of the verify my age, you just have to click on this icon of the verify my age. Now as you can see that here is the option of the that you can verify your age to get the most out of your Roblox. So here you have to prepare a valid ID in which these four requirements are required, and the second option is you have to use a smartphone. You need a smartphone in order to continue with your camera app to begin. So here you can identify your verification, and after that you are able to verify your age in the Roblox. So that's how you can verify your age in your Roblox account. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.